Welcome to Locarno, a stunning lakeside town on the northern shore of Lake Maggiore, in the heart of Switzerland's Ticino region. A place where history, beauty, and relaxation come together perfectly. Before we dive into this amazing destination, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more high-quality travel content and unforgettable places to discover. We start our journey along the scenic lake promenade, one of the most peaceful and picturesque spots in Locarno. Here, time seems to slow down. Palm trees line the path like a tropical postcard, while vibrant flower beds add bursts of color with every step you take. The gentle sound of waves lapping against the shore creates a calm rhythm that instantly puts you at ease. As we walk along, you'll notice the charm of everyday life. Families enjoying the sunshine, friends chatting over a gelato, couples strolling hand in hand, and travelers stopping every few steps to snap the perfect photo of the lake glistening in the sun. The backdrop is simply breathtaking. Majestic mountains surrounding the lake, boats gently floating in the distance, and reflections dancing on the water's surface. Benches are scattered along the way, inviting you to pause, breathe, and just take in the view. Whether you want to sit down with a book, watch the boats drift by, or simply enjoy the peaceful energy of the place, this promenade has a kind of magic that stays with you. It's not just a walk, it's an experience, a moment of serenity you'll remember long after your visit. As we move into the town center, Locarno reveals its vibrant and elegant atmosphere. The streets are lined with charming, pastel-colored buildings, often designed in a mix of Italianate and Mediterranean architectural styles, featuring arcades, wrought iron balconies, and beautifully decorated facades. Every corner showcases the town's attention to detail, from the ornate window shutters to the well-maintained flower boxes hanging from balconies. The overall feeling is warm and welcoming, thanks to the bright colors and harmonious design that give the city its unique personality. The streets are filled with cozy cafés, stylish restaurants, and a wide range of hotels, from affordable options to more luxurious stays. Prices for a coffee usually range from 3 to 4 Swiss francs, while a meal at a mid-range restaurant starts around 20 to 30 francs. If you're planning to stay overnight, hotel prices typically start from around 90 to 120 Swiss francs per night for a standard room, while higher-end hotels with lake views or spa services can go up to 200 francs or more, depending on location and amenities. Walking further, we discover the city's lush gardens, green, peaceful, and perfectly maintained. These charming green spaces offer a refreshing escape from the buzz of the streets. Some are located right next to the lake, blending the beauty of nature with the tranquility of the water, creating an ideal place to pause and recharge. You'll find well-kept lawns, colorful flower arrangements, and tall trees providing shade on sunny days. Birds chirping in the background and the gentle breeze through the leaves make the atmosphere feel almost surreal. Whether you're looking for a quiet spot to relax, a romantic path to stroll, or just a beautiful corner to enjoy a picnic, these gardens are a true hidden gem in the heart of Locarno. You'll also notice the small but lively harbor of Locarno, which comes alive in the summer with boats, ferries, and tourists heading out to explore Lake Maggiore's other charming villages. Taking a boat trip is a must-do experience here. It gives you a whole new perspective of this magical area. And as we wrap up our visit, we return once again to the beautiful lakefront, where every corner tells a story and every view feels like a postcard. So if you're dreaming of a place that mixes nature, culture, and tranquility, Locarno might just be your next favorite destination. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos from the most beautiful places across Europe and beyond. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next adventure.